G'day guys, today in this episode of building construction we are going to make a concrete slab. So to make a concrete slab, first thing you need to do is wet the wheelbarrow a bit of water, slosh it around and empty that in the drain. Next you need the mix. We need 1 shovel of cement, two shovels of sand, and 3 shovels of aggregate, which are the little rocks. Once you have 1 cement, 2 sand and 3 aggregates in there, mix it up while it's dry. Once you've mixed it while it's dry, you can then add a little bit of water, a little bit at a time, because you don't want it too sloppy. Now we have a good mix, not too sloppy, not too dry. The next step is to oil your pan. We don't want it to stick to the pan once it's cast, so we just use cooking oil. Splash a bit of that around. Get a rag and wipe it around. Do the edges and the corners. Place the tray on top of the vibrating table. Place 1 shovel load on the tray. Turn it on and then fill it up. Any leftover concrete can be given to other groups or scraped out and put onto a sheet of newspaper to dry. Only when your wheelbarrow is scraped clean can you clean your tools and the wheelbarrow. Grab a broom and a dustpan and clean up the rest of your mess. with the help of your partner, place it in the drying rack. After 3 or 4 days, you can remove your tray from the rack, gently flip it over, place it on a hard flat surface, and with a few taps to the side, you should be able to remove the tray, leave behind a wonderful concrete slab.